This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Stephanie Jarvis Caskell. Stately Georgian brick colonial home located on private wooded lot on cove off Linkhorn Bay. Dock offers easy access for jet skis, kayak and other water sports. Amazing floor plan offers great living space, beautiful renovated kitchen west/granite counters, island and great stainless appliance package. 6 bedrooms west/6 full baths/1 half bath. 4-car garage, 2-car attached and 2-car detached. Separate apartment above garage offers great potential mother-in-law suite, teenager suite, playroom etc. Spacious master suite with updated bath, French door access to second floor deck/balcony and more. Lovely sunroom overlooks inground.